Paul here, and welcome back. Well, not welcome back, because this is my first video. What's wrong with me? And I'm showing you some of my Lego superheroes. Before you ask what happened to Batman, yeah, I don't think that's a good Batman. Green Arrow, I don't think he's junk too. Black Widow looks like a regular city person. Need a better green head for Hulk. But the others are pretty okay. I mean, obviously they're not the best, but let's get started. We have Cyborg. Of course, he's not African American, but that does not matter. I don't even know if he's American. Here's Thor with his hammer. Here's Green Lantern with his ring. Yeah. Here's Superman, simple red cape. Here's Superman, simple red caped guy. Yeah. Robin. Spider-Man. Flash. Wolverine. Aquaman. Hush. General Zod. Mr. Freeze. Bane. The Joker. Where did your crossbow go? Hawkeye? So this is Hawkeye. Here's Iron Man with his nice old laser. There's Hawkeye's crossbow. This is Lex Luthor. And the Penguin, which is simply an umbrella. I couldn't find a purple umbrella. Top hat. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Leave me what to build next, and go. Bye.